Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to find Roku TV PIN code. So to find this, like, here are a few of the questions answered by the official community support of the Roku, like what is Roku PIN and how to create it, and if you want to change it and if you want to turn it off. So these are the solutions. So first of all, just go to myroku.com and from under device settings click select PIN and /parents control, and to set up a PIN just select create a PIN. And let's say that you already have a PIN, so what you can do is just enter the PIN and change your PIN. So that is a simple process if you want to change your Roku PIN. And the second thing is, let's say you just want to remove your PIN. So what you can do is you will find this option called parent control, and once you go here, you will be seeing this kind of interface. As you can see, subscribing, making purchases, and adding apps. So once you see this kind of interface, so just click on don't require a PIN, and once you select this option, you will not be asked to enter the PIN every time. And once you do that, you will be able to remove the PIN. And let's say that you forgot the PIN and you still want to find a solution. So what you can do is just contact the click on learn more about using a PIN. And once you click here, you can just contact the support and they will tell you the solution of how you can find your PIN and how you can reset your PIN or turn it off easily. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can find your Roku PIN or change it or turn it off.